Is this the fastest Passat in recent times?
Pas gekoop, zat gerei.
Juvies? Juvies? Sê wat jy weet so ligte.
Hoor hoe klink hy 350Z. Hallo hi.
Wat sommer maak.
Ons het hier in 'n lang tyd gevlog hier. So today dat ek net die ding hier kry.
Het jy nie 'n handle nie?
Daar onder is 'n hendel.
Nee, jy praat van so 'n ronde ding wat jy inskroef.
So so today we're finally going to start on the EG. There's few things that's been started on already. I know we haven't vlogged in a while. Shaun fixed my number plate, prestige plate holder. And hello Fabian.
Hello, hi.
So Faye finished spraying the bumper. You can't see it so lekker now because the car is dirty, but it did a yeah, lekker. And then it does a sterling job here.
Go even morning.
So that is fixed, the lights and stuff. We just now need to line that lights up properly.
Huh?
And then Shaun fixed the number plate holder. Screw that fast. We still need to fix the lights in there. And you see dronk gaat zo wees, is that right? So we're gonna start with the beadings and the side skirts today. We'll go to Fabian's place for that, but we just got Shaun quickly because we don't have a caulking gun or a silicone gun. We're just gonna fill that crack up because I have a water leak, so we're gonna sort that out. But yeah, I'm gonna capture as much as possible today of everything that we're doing. I know we haven't vlogged in a while, so yeah, that you guys can see here. So Shaun is busy with working on two cars here, old spec RX-7 and an old Toyota Supra. So you can see it's the Mark II Supra shop garage of these, and this has got a 2JZ. And then we have the RX-7 that is also busy with. And Juvisa's all. So Shaun needs to do a lot of things on this car. He's busy with the boost pipes and he needs to literally wire the entire car. And here is the manifold that you're busy with for there.
Ja, ek is besig om turbo branch te maak.
Turbo branch is busy building for the 2JZ. For the Supra.
Vir die Supra 2JZ.
Yeah, so he's busy building that. You see he's busy starting there and he's going to bend the pipes, etc. So if you have any manifolds or branches or anything turbo products or boost pipes and stuff that you need to be fabricated, you can always come to SAW Fabrications and Automotive works. The Juvies here busy with some tuning. He's going to remap my feet.
Resize it.
Resize. En daar kan jy sien Fabian het weer eentje in sy mond.
Ek staan so lank al eens is al dood al.
Right, so there, that port is now sealed up. No more water leaks when it rains. On the other side, someone fill that rust spot up so it don't rust any further before we start spraying the roof over later this year. I'm gonna go to the Fabian's joint now to sort the rest of the stuff out. it looks like you want to say something.
I was gonna be rude, but it's fine.
Yeah.
And it took some sicker flicks in Jovisa's not. Luca is acting here like he's busy.
Jovisa's still busy tuning there.
Huh? I am busy. And he's tuning a carburetor car.
Right, so ons is nou terug by die headquarters.
This is how you break a clip.
We're gonna remove the beadings now.
We're gonna break this stuff.
We must see if it breaks, then we must flex the beadings back again.
Phone Daryl, lost Daryl.
Yeah, I'm gonna phone Daryl now.
Hey!
Oh, say?
Yeah. Yes, out, yeah.
Only the bottom top part.
Yeah, but let's see if we can just do it.
Oh, you need to slide it out of the clip.
No, man.
The clip stays like that, man. The
clip
clip
stays-
stays in like that. Then you must slide it in,
And then
then push it in, then moor it in.
Ah, die man lyk asof hy weet wat hy doen nie.
Brother. Must dit is dat Opel mos nie.
Ah, sê. Ah, die man nog, die man.
Can you blow my mind?
blow my mind. Can you blow my clips? Was stief man.
Only thing is I'm just a bang at pen, man. Oh, but you can always just push it back. Now where is the screw here?
Fabian and Jason had the one part already loose there.
I think we broke one clip. Because here's it behind.
Nah, but that we just slide back. Man.
Yo.
I'm too bang. Fabian, you come lift here.
Did you slide it already?
There, you can feel it. It's clipping loose.
Sliding with your back already.
Yeah.
Just fine. Look at that.
I say.
Hey.
Ooh,
Look at
ah.
this stuff breaking off here, man.
Nah, it's only that one there.
I have a feeling people's gonna put in the
Look here. You see, they Sika flesh here.
Sika what? Flesh.
Sika flesh.
What did you say? Sika flesh.
Because nothing tastes like fresca.
Ja, het was gaan Sika, ja. Because this
Nah, this is normal silicone.
Nah, that Sika is hard, bro.
Nah, leave it there. That is just to probably
Nah,
keep
but
it.
you must put silicone must again on.
But now,
Now we don't have the gun. The gun is by Shaun.
what can?
Nah, but
the
you take
silicone gun.
a thing as man.
Ah,
It's born with a split to bus.
so it looks like the side beadings here has been Sika flexed, so we're gonna have to tape it up.
Sika flesh.
Sika flesh.
Sika flesh.
So we're going to have to spray it on the car. I'm gonna see now if we can get this,
You have a toolbox for it.
what you call it, the mud flaps we need to get off, and then the side skirt slides off also apparently.
I think this thing is supposed to slide completely off. I think. It's like a flesh. Breek weer iets.
Ja, daai gaan kat nou. Ons gaan nou vulle moet opsit op daai nie. And I have to put filler on there.
Something is breaking.
Is that plastic, that small white plastic clips? Oh, that's not
A Sika flesh.
safe, bro.
Sika flesh.
And there's the other one is now busy getting off. I can't record much
Yeah,
because
bro.
I wanna help the mense, yeah.
Leave it without the beadings, man. It's a new look. Hey, now who's gonna spot? I don't smart to fill this stuff.
I'll fill it.
I'm gonna put spot filler in.
But nou moet ons ietsie om my oor te sit. First, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna skeer it up. And then fill it. And dan maak ons dit mooi flat. And then spray. Jo, dis baie werk vandag. Ja. Mud flaps is off, and then we're gonna tape up the side skirt also. They then started skeeling now the spot filler off, making everything nice and smooth, prepping it for the spray. And Fabian is busy cutting the masking tape. Shame I had to help him. I placed this side and the man like as if I plug it with the job.
I don't have plug. Yeah. I don't have plug. I don't always work like this on my own course.
Oh wait, I work out myself. Second point just so we
And then hopefully in the next couple of weeks we can start with the door handles also to match.
Fabian, I think spray it just like this. Should be fine.
Yo guys, I feel so bad that I'm filming and this Mensa is working. I'm gonna start helping him now. I just wanna get a few scenes in here.
I feel so bad.
I feel so bad, the job is done with. I feel so bad, so when he decides to help us, the job is done.
You're so hot.
Everything go up and up. It's like the big reveal. The big reveal. The big reveal. No, they started to say that.
Door die beanie, die side skirts lyk sommer soos nuut. Right, so you can see here the mud flap looks a bit umpa, so we're gonna have to spray the mud flap also. So Fabian is now busy taking the spot filler off. I suppose we're learning this way, but the spot filler basically softened the rubber that was underneath. So
It was like, it wasn't the original coating that comes from the factory. This looks like they sprayed some type of rubberizer or polyurethane to give it that wrinkle effect, because whatever's happening, it's actually causing a reaction with that polyurethane that they sprayed originally on here, because what the spot filler is now reacting with that, so the spot filler is not getting hot and the urethane is actually getting soft and sticky again, which tells me it's not like some type of coating that they normally get from the factory.
you know, on a reaction that
yeah, it's not drying the spot putty. The spot putty is not getting dry. And then when we remove the spot putty, you can actually see that the coating at the bottom got soft and sticky again. So yeah, it's definitely not the original coating that it comes from the factory. It has been some other time they have changed it or redid it, but wanted that whole rough texture to it and sprayed some type of stone chip or something over it. But yeah, that's the problem we're sitting with now.
all that stuff is gonna have to come off now.
Yeah.
Alright, we're done now. So people's gonna say I didn't do anything. I did help a bit.
Did nothing.
I haven't really man. So yeah, we're finishing off now. And then tomorrow we have another shoot. Waar's Fabian? Ek kan hom in die agtergrond. There. Fabian is walking in the background, he's in the wild there. But but yeah, Fabian, by the way, sold his car for a bike. Last time bike. But yeah, we're closing the vlog off. I think it came out much better than expected. So yeah, see you guys next time. Cheers.